This is my latest frequency generator circuit. I built this circuit using the same setup as all my other frequency counters, but I chose to use the free ceramic capacitors chosen by the mysterious glyphs on the surface of the water when I subject them to low frequency sound waves. Now look at that. Now watch what happens when I flick the flash LED off. The AC readings, AC frequency readings on the counter will go to 0. DC. DC has no frequency, so it's going to 0. So flick the flash of LED back on, initiates the frequency. Now just a minute ago it was going out altogether. So this is a bit confusing, the operation of this. I don't know why the water instructed me to use those values for the ceramic capacitors, like it did on those mysterious glyphs, water glyphs on the surface of the capacitor, which were giving off light. But anyhow, now that that's finished, my latest circuit I'm going to build a box for is the light listener. Now the idea is to try to convert those mysterious light emitting glyphs into some kind of sound to see what it says. Okay, thank you for watching my latest update.